Long ago, when the earth was young and nature's beauty reigned supreme, fairies thrived in hidden realms. They dwelled in ancient forests, shimmering meadows, and secret caves, invisible to mortal eyes. Whispers of their existence echoed through folklore, passed down by generations. But as progress swept across the land, encasing the world in concrete and steel, the belief in fairies waned. Their delicate presence became a distant memory, lost in the noise of modernity. However, legends often hold a kernel of truth. Today, as the world began to awaken to the wonders beyond what can be seen, a few lucky souls caught glimpses of fairy wings glistening in the twilight. Their return marked a revival of magic, reminding us that the enchantment of the past can still find its place in the present. And so, the answer remains, fairies did exist before today, and now, they dance among us once more, their ethereal presence reminding us that there is always room for wonder in our world.